I'm Fred Burrows with Plumbers. This is my second video. You can see I'm at that roughly 23 feet. This is all straight pipe to this point. So right in here is where we had that blockage. You can see we've got water running through here. You can see that this water levels went down. And Angel Soft. That'll do it every time. So paper towels shouldn't be in here either. We've got a hand dryer, but not. It'll plug right back up. You can see, so when I flush that toilet, we can see all the water's flowing by it. Before we couldn't see much because it was blocked up. I had to use the cable machine to open this, and I did. Bear with me a second. I'm going to go around this corner. This snake's not an easy one to push because it has to be flexible enough to get around the trap, so it's hard to do with one hand. But you can see we're going way through here. So all of the rags that you've seen in the first video floating in the system, they're all gone. Now the other bathroom wasn't plugging up. So we're all the way out to about 30 feet. Just but we're wide open. There's just nothing in this line anymore. I'll show you. It wasn't full yet. This video was brought to you by Angel Soft. Help your plumber make a lot of money. Use Angel Soft. But the good news is, I mean, I don't see anything else that's needed here except, making a couple modifications. Like I said in the first video, they've done some good things here with the dryer, the sign, the dispenser. That paper needs to be different. I'd love it if we didn't have any paper towel in here. That's why we've got the hand dryer. They're all gone. It's the bottom to the left there, obviously. Running like a champ. So I'm going to end this video, get all this stuff put away. Now that we know we're open, move on to the next job.